The Center for Sports Medicine is the largest independent group of orthopedic physicians in the Chattanooga region. We represent all specialties of orthopedics with the exception of oncology. We knew that something that was missing was having an ASC solution. It's been the dream of these physicians for a long time to be able to offer this in the community, so here we are.
We built the building from the ground up. It's been an amazing opportunity. The physicians have had input on every single detail and wanted the buy-in even from the staff on things that made it easier for patient workflow.
Everything we do, we think about what is that experience going to be for the patient, and then secondary, what is the experience going to be for our physicians.
I think this facility has enhanced our ability to do outpatient total joint arthroplasty, which has been a shift in orthopedics over the last couple of years.
I'm most excited about the streamlined effect of building around the patient experience. I think that's one of the keys, and that makes our facility very unique. When you build it from the ground up, you can start with the patient and then build out from there. What we've chosen to do here in Chattanooga is to focus purely on orthopedics and to do one thing and do it well. And we're hoping to service the need of the community.
Spent a lot of time doing site visits with different vendors, and Stryker, in my opinion, came in heads above everyone else that we were interviewing, simply because it was very organized. It was easy to get in front of the physicians exactly what was being offered.
After due diligence, it was pretty clear that Stryker had the most professional, most comprehensive offer on the table. They clearly had the experience of outfitting other surgery centers similar to ours, and you could feel that they had the same patient-centric view.
Well before this new facility was opened, we were in partnership with Stryker. They brought a lot of experience to that to help guide us, because we hadn't done that before.
It was so important to us to have one point contact because the project was so big. We were afraid that if there were too many hands involved, that pieces of information would get lost in the translation.
I think Stryker's there for a collaboration for the long term and to drive the success of the facility as a whole. By going with Stryker as the primary preferred provider, that allowed us to streamline now our equipment. It all communicates with one another, and I think it comes back to that simplicity goes a long way.
I love being asked about the partnership with Stryker. It's been such an amazing experience. One of the things that we knew that we wanted was a partnership. We wanted someone that we felt like that we could lock arms with, that cared most about the best patient experience and the best patient outcomes.
Stryker stood out as a partner for us because we felt like with their wide range of products available to us, from the pre-op area to the surgery suite to all the equipment, that we could just have one vendor that was high quality that could streamline our process.
They've had an option for every single case I do. There are many things I do now that I'm more happy with using the Stryker portfolio. It's a broad, expansive portfolio from a surgeon perspective, but beyond that, for equipment in the OR rooms, stretcher beds, OR lights, all the things we need to outfit the entire facility is kind of covered under that same umbrella.
Looking toward the future, I think Stryker is really enhancing their sports medicine line, coming out with new products, which will help us out with efficiency.
Several things excite me about our partnership with Stryker. I've been very impressed with the boots on the ground that are here on a daily basis, helping streamline the process, make sure everybody's on board and understands what needs to be done to give the patient the best outcome.
I think with the Center for Sports Medicine Surgery, we're continuing to grow. We're going to grow, and Stryker is too. When you can partner with someone that always wants to grow and always wants to be better and always wants to have the best, there's so much reward.